Hello friends, if you find this type of blue screen error, automatic repair, then how you will be repair this operating system in a simple way. Insert the bootable pen drive and simply click on advanced, then click on troubleshoot, then advanced option, then click on system restore. Then simply click on next, then select the date and time, then next. Then once again next, then simply click on yes. It will take some time for restore. Those files will be crashes. Sometime it will take 5 minutes and sometime half an hour to 1 hour for restore all the crashes files. After restore, you got a pop-up where written the system restore successful. Simply click on restart. Now we can see the OS will be repair successful. Sometimes if the OS will be not repair when you click on system restore, then in the next step you click on startup repair. Then after that, if that is not possible, you click on see more recovery option and click on system image recovery. Definitely your OS will be recover successful. Thank you.